YouTube, what is going on? We are back with finally back with another video. You see we got the 335 right here over here at Split Second Performance with my boys. This video sponsored by them, so if y'all can do me a favor and head over and get them a follow on Instagram for me. But yeah, so pretty much we're gonna be taking off from where we left off when we was dialing in the car on full E85. I know that's pretty much why I stopped uploading, was because of what I'm about to show y'all now. So yeah, so I was doing a pull. I really did a pull from like second to fourth, and I don't know why I did it. I should have just waited until I finished the tune, but I don't know, I just wanted to see what it would do. And after I did a couple pulls, it threw two super knocking codes on cylinder 1 and 4, and yeah, so I cleared the codes and then I just ignored it, and I did another pull, see what it was going on with it. So yeah, I got to the light, turned it on, and I heard this. So I'm gonna give y'all everything of what's going on. Oh, and my dash not working. That's great. So I'm gonna let y'all hear what it sound like. Mind you, I was hitting like 28, 30 pounds of boost. But this same engine, this is the same engine that jumped timing. So I don't know if y'all can hear that. Kind of like a slight faint knot, either a lifter or the bearing let go in both of those cylinders, I think, or at least one of them bare minimum. But the car starts up fine, it drives fine, it doesn't misfire. I haven't really got on it since it started making that noise, but I mean, for the most part, I feel like something is going on with the engine. They feel like something is going on with the engine. No excessive, that's condensation, no excessive blue smoke. So pretty much I got a spare N54 and I'm upgrading the bearings on it. I'm doing a lot of stuff to the car. I'm trying to shove it all into one video. But yeah, we got bearings for that, this new engine I got. We got a new turbo. I got 3 fingers up, bro. I only said it's early. We got a new turbo. And what else did we do? We doing a lot of stuff, bro. So we're gonna rewrap this downpipe with new wrap. I don't know, but I didn't get a chance to paint this quarter panel. As you can see, it's still ashy, still primer and ready to be painted. But I'm just gonna take care of this swap first, and then we're gonna take care of that. But yeah, I'm over here at Split Second Performance, so let's go in there. I just showed y'all what's going on with it. It feels weird recording, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, my dash does not cut on. I just found that out today. It really was working before. So oh, what I meant to tell y'all, head over to shopwebbies.com and use that guy Tez at checkout to get 10% off on your order, man. Yeah. So yeah, you already know who this is. Ericua.
Boricua.
It's the N54 right here that we've been setting up, getting ready to swap into.
Bitch, you ain't do shit!
That man wild.
Bro, we can't never take nothing serious here, bro. So, what bearings you did so far?
You mean what cylinders?
Yeah, what cylinders?
3 and 4.
So, yeah, so we just did 3 and 4.
Who are you talking to?
But yeah, so we did that. I guess we're gonna keep stripping this down, clean the motor, do the gaskets, do the oil paint gasket, new bolts, and things of that nature. I'm not gonna bore y'all with a time lapse, so I'm probably just gonna do little snippets here and there of us doing that. And yeah, so we pretty much gonna be doing this swap. As y'all seen, they gonna pretty much be doing this swap on the 335. I already put y'all in the what's the name? God damn, bro, what y'all want? So we got the comp turbo over here. This is the new turbo we went with. Bro, just ignore that black leprechaun over there talking. We got the new comp turbo right here.
Nigga, I'm like, this shit.
Bro, I can't even record, bro. Hey, shut up. Yeah, this is the comp turbo we got right here. Ski. So we're gonna be running that. I should have took this in a plastic bag. Yeah. So we're vlogging this process, and yeah, I hope y'all like it.
Juki got the sauce, bitch.
So these are old bearings right here. On this GoPro ain't gonna focus.
Bitch, I'll hook your nose off your body.
Basura, trash.
Yo, what the fuck?
All right, y'all, so it's later, way later. Got the 335 right there. Both engines is out, so yeah, we're gonna continue. Swap the manifold over, and that's pretty much it. All the accessories, and then it's gonna be ready to throw in. Yeah.
I swear this nigga be finessing, yo.
All I had to do is, all I'm doing is finessing. It's just
It's even. Like, that's like.
The next day.
All right, guys, so I don't know if y'all can see from that last clip, I haven't really been able to record as much or talk as much when I record because a lot has been going on. But as you can see, we got the new motor in. Again, shout out to my guys over at Split Second Performance. I will put their link and Instagram name here somewhere in the video. But yeah, make sure y'all give them a follow. But yeah, we pretty much got everything mocked up. We got the housing on the manifold. And I do got some big news. Some big news, man. I'm excited. Like I low-key, I'm tripped up with my words. I'm about to pull this valve cover off because I have a new valve cover. It's an aluminum one. If you've been following me on Instagram, you've seen which one I had. But it's not just aluminum. It's got a little something special to it. Also, my front housing is not just that front housing that y'all seen. So I don't know if y'all seen from my Instagram, but we went with a comp turbo. We went with a 6871 triplex ceramic oil cooled turbo. So it's a dual ball bearing turbo. The last turbo I had, that Borg Warner, was a journal bearing, so we went over and switched that up to a ball bearing. And that turbo that I had wasn't twin scroll, so like the housing wasn't twin scroll. So, and as you can see, I have a twin scroll housing. So this manifold and this housing is twin scroll as well, so it matches this kit. So theoretically, it should spool a whole lot faster, not only for the fact that we're taking in consideration that this is a dual ball bearing turbo, but also it's a twin scroll, so that helps spool, because it's, you know, you get what I'm saying. We had some issues with the fitment with the drain line. Let me see if I can go grab the turbo real quick. Hold on. So basically, this is the comp turbo we're going with. Has a billet, center cartridge, however, whatever this, whatever you call that. I'm still new to the, you know, the big single world, even though I've had my setup for over a year, but I'm still getting used to it. But like I said, this is the drain fitting that we had. We're getting the light so y'all can see. This is the drain fitting that we had on this turbo, and this was hitting on the manifold right there. So what we tried to do was to get around. I don't know if you can see down there, Eric tried to shave down a little bit on the manifold on the exhaust side. The exhaust manifold he tried to shave down, and this housing on the turbo he tried to shave down and try to get some clearance for the turbo to fully seat all the way into this housing. So that wasn't going to work. So it was almost lining up, but it didn't line up. So what I did was, y'all don't have to necessarily just wait on my YouTube videos, because I know a lot of people hitting me up and wondering what's going on with the build and everything. So we went with this extended 1/2 inch MPT to 10 AN. So we're gonna try to see if we can use this and put this on a turbo and see if we can get my drain line to work. And I was missing the oil feed fitting for the turbo, but I got that as well. So I also added this fitting, 45 degree AN, 10 AN. So hopefully with that combination, with these two fittings, we'll be able to get this turbo to fit and line up smoothly into this housing. Another thing, so it's been a lot, like, you can't just expect to go with a new turbo and everything work the way it's supposed to work, because 9 times out of 10 that turbo and that turbo, whatever turbo you run with, it fits differently in the engine bay and on this manifold or whatever manifold you get. So you can't just expect to get a turbo and think that, oh, everything's gonna work fine. I kind of knew that I was already gonna get curveballs with this setup, but you know, it is what it is. I'm not really tripping. So this stuff is small. I had a coolant hose down there that broke when we took it off, so that's coming in today. I'm gonna install that. And my downpipe, so for the Borg Warner, I had a 3.5 inch flange, V-band clamp, V-band flange welded onto that downpipe from the kit. Whoever I bought this kit from, they had that welded on there to fit on the back of my Borg Warner. Now this flange, this V-band flange on here is a 3-inch V-band flange. So I went down to Summit. Like at least 3 times, bro. Like, and Summit over here in Georgia, leaving from Gwinnett to Madonna, is a solid, like, depending on if it's traffic or not, like a solid hour and 20 minutes, bro. So I've been down there probably like 3 times, but it is what it is. You live and you learn. So that's what comes with it. I can't really be mad. But yeah, moving on from that, I'm going to be getting that welded today by a buddy of mine. He's going to get that taken care of for me. I'm also doing the MHD single bank fueling as well. So this car's getting a lot of goodies, a lot of good stuff. Like, I went all the way in with this new setup this year in 2024. I'm going to be dropping content banger after banger. I just had to, you know, get some things situated with the build. Had to wait on parts. This turbo took like a solid month and a half to, you know, for me to get it, because they're made to order. And shout out to Comp. But yeah, so let's get on to the valve cover. So y'all see this valve cover I got on there? Yeah, we not we not gonna be doing this. I'm about to show y'all what we about to be doing. All right, so as y'all can see, this is what we went with. I want to take it out, but I don't want to scratch it up. This is what I'm about to install on there. I had this powder coated candy apple red. And the other pieces on the valve cover, you're gonna see everything. Like the whole thing is done to a T. Real good. So I had that powder coated candy apple red, and let me go get that front housing for y'all. This is that front housing. Y'all see that? And I tell you, I've never had nothing like this. It's insane. It's honestly insane. Look at that color. Look at the sparkle on it. Yeah, and we went with the T51R mod with the comp turbo, so you know it's gonna be singing. So yeah, we got that. Hopefully this drain situation works the way that it's supposed to work, and we can put that front housing on and put this whole turbo on and get the downpipe welded and just get everything situated. We don't have a lot of stuff to do. Like I said, I know I'm talking a lot, but I'm just trying to inform y'all and get y'all up to speed of what's really going on, because I didn't have time when we was doing a swap to really explain everything that was going on. I was just really trying to get the engine in and everything. But yeah, so that's pretty much everything. So I'm about to just pull this valve cover off, and then yeah, I'm gonna put the new valve cover on, that candy apple red on them folks, man.